Tyler from Wales Online, and this is my puppy Atlas. We've come here today to Coed y Munster in Bridgend to have Doggy Afternoon Tea. When you arrive, you get shown to your table. If it's on a nice day, that could be on the lawn. If it's a bit rainy, then you get taken inside. When you're sat there with your dog, the waiter comes out with a dog afternoon tea, which is on 3 tiers, with different treats on each tier, from salmon brownies to biscuits and frozen treats. They get a glass of Pawsecco, which is puppy Prosecco. There's also a choice of beer, puppy beer, just in case they don't like the Prosecco. So as you can see, Atlas is absolutely exhausted now. He's had a great day. It looks like he really enjoyed himself, and I've had a great day too.